First open Ubuntu Software Center. Now click the search icon available in the top right position of the window. In the search box, search the term FileZilla. From search results, pick the result that represents the FileZilla. Now click the install button to install the FileZilla. Now type your password and authenticate. After the installation process, you will find it in your apps. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.